Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you'll have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option recovery mode. When you see this Android robot laying down here and the no command message under it, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the third option, enter Fastboot, and that's how you enter Fastboot mode. If you want to exit this mode, you have 4 different options. You can reboot system now, you can go back to recovery mode, you can reboot to the bootloader, or you can select power off and just turn off your device. So let's just select reboot system now and restart our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.